it's dark. You already know. Alright, in this corner we got Happy Feet.
Happy Feet.
Oh, I thought you was correct, man. In this corner we got Tornado. 0-0 in MMA. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Scarface's new channel, Scarface Street Stories. Also love to the West Coast, man. Y'all enjoyed the fights that was going on at this event? Imagine what's going on their channel. Go check them out. Also follow me on all platforms. You ready? You ready?
Hey, you guys.
Let's get it, fellas.
Stand in front of the light, please. Hey, guys. Can I get you up for the light?
Let's go, let's go. Hey, you good, man? Yeah, you good. Okay. Let's go, y'all. You ready? Hold on. Okay. My stuff. Yeah. Oh my God.
That's right, Chin is out there carelessly. Nice, James. Uh-oh. Hey, get a forearm over his head. Forearm over his head. James, pop your head out. Forearm over his head.
Pop up, pop up.
Over. Over. That's right. Push down. Push down on his head.
Clear that.
Push
Clear his
down
left
on
leg.
his head.
Yes.
Elbows. Short elbows.
Come on, James. Clear arm.
Short elbows.
Nobody else answered. Nobody else answered.
Stay on the track. Stay on.
Nobody else answered. This is the last one to answer.
Grab that leg. That's right. There, man. Get up. Get back up.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. James, get your forearm under his chin.
Hands up, dude.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
James, turn your face. Turn your face.
Time. Good work, guys. Good work.
Schools in.
You ready? You ready?
Come on, James.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Chin is out there carelessly.
Oh, yes, sir.
James, get full guard.
Two arms, one leg.
Nice, James. Come on, get side. Get your knee up by his head.
Is this the water?
Suck him in. Pin his arm. Pin his arm. Pin his left arm.
Right now?
No.
Pop your head up.
He's not guarding his face. All right, guys, work for something. You gotta give me something.
Come on, James.
Something gotta happen.
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Good work. Keep going.
James, you got to pass.
All right.
5, 4,
3,
2, 1.
Come on, James.
Watch back of the head. Watch back of the head. You're good. Alright,
Use the jab.
blast away.
Come on, guys. Finish strong.
Zero, James. Head down, head down.
Yep. Good job.
Good finish. Good finish.
Good fight.